Hello everyone, welcome back to the another tutorial of our Java programming series. In this video I will show you how to set permanent path after installation over Java software. Now we will show how to set permanent path using our Java commands. So go to this PC, then choose your C drive. Then if you are installed 64-bit, then your Java program will be here, this one folder. If you are installed 32-bit, then your Java folder is here. I have installed 32 bits, so my folder is here. I will click this, then click the JDK, then click the bin, then click here. So copy this path, then close this tab, then go to here, write add, search the add the environment system variable, then click, go to the environment variable, then set, here will be a path, click this path, then add here and go to the new and they will paste. I have set my path, so I will delete this. This is the way you can set your path. Once you are here done, then go to the click OK. But I will delete this. I have set path, so OK. Once you are set this path, then check your path will be a set or not. So click here cmd and write javac command and then enter. If you are this menu will be show this dialog, then your path, your Java software will be your path will be set permanently. But if this will be not show, then your software will be not your path will be not set permanently. Then after you will be complete this task, close this AMD, exit, this is the way we will set over a permanent path over once install our Java software. After the set your path, go restart your set once, then working with your software properly. Thank you for watching this video. If you are really enjoy with us, so please subscribe my channel and also like our videos. Thank you.